At first glance, the penny that you see on screen before you doesn't really look like much of anything at all. Okay, the coin looks beat up, it looks rough, it looks like it's been through you know what and back. But this is the topic for today's Monday market report for the week ending November 25th. So, a lot of us do already know that in 1982 the US Mint had decided to cease production of any 3.11 gram copper/bronze cent, just due to the cost of the thing. So what the mint did is they went to a copper-coated zinc planchet that weighed about 0.60 grams less in weight. It's very noticeable when you have one in each hand. However, this coin right here was discovered in change. Okay, there's no other way to find it in this condition other passing through hands, and it's a coin that unless you had a scale handy, you wouldn't know that it's in your hand. However, this coin sold on greatcollections.com this evening to the tune of $3,937.50. Yes, you heard that right. Nearly $4,000. So this is what you would call one of those rare little errors that, again, you know, if you didn't know it was there, more than likely you have skipped over it. In 1983, there was supposed to be no bronze copper cents. Okay, they were all supposed to be this lighter weight, cheaper feeling, copper-coated zinc coin. All right, so take for instance this coin right here. Obviously, there was a spare bronze planchet that made it into a batch of these copper-coated zinc planchets, and you have kind of a one-off coin. Now, a few of these have sold in the past, okay, for many thousands of dollars. This one is no exception. I've seen some in much better condition than this example here sell for as much as $10,000 for this specific date. So this really truly is a treasure to be found in pocket change. Now, the coin sold through Great Collections this evening is a coin that was certified through Annex, and it graded out EF45, which is also the equivalent of XF45 to NGC and PCGS. Okay, I think the reason why that the seller decided to go with Annex is because it's cheaper to get coins certified through Annex than any other third-party grader. And that's smart, because when you have a coin that a lot of people in the error community know about, you really don't have to spend $40, $50, $60 to go with some of the other guys when you could just spend less than half the cost going through Annex. And it's really smart. Okay, you end up with a little bit more money in your pocket. So, good rule of thumb, whatever you do, take a look at your pocket change. If you're new to the hobby, again, a digital scale that reads, you know, in grams, of course, but a penny weight scale that reads, you know, to the hundredths is definitely ideal. And they're only, you know, like 10-15 bucks online, so it's a really easy get. But I wanted to talk about this coin. This is my highlight coin of the week. There was no other coin that compares. There was a 92D cam that sold on Great Collections. There was also a 1976D Washington quarter double die Avarice that also sold. None of those compared to this specific coin. I love talking about transitional errors, which is what this one is. And as always, yeah, keep an eye out. I'm your host, Blue Ridge Silverhound. Again, the best way that you can support my channel is simply hit the like button. And I do have Facebook available. Come visit me. It's Blue Ridge Silverhound. It's 4 words. And yeah, I'm on there. And come visit. I post, various types of articles and videos and that sort of thing. And I appreciate all your guys' support as we go through the holidays. It's a lot of coins to be found. People are cashing in their piggy banks, and there are more errors and more rare varieties and key dates to be found out there. This is another one. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. Love you. And I'll see you on the next video. You guys take care and keep hunting.